Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to set up your knife file and ACM file for the flatbed printer. First, download the Roland VersaWorks swatch from the Additional Resources area on VU Collaborate. It can be found under 2 units, Design and Layout Signs, or Print Digital Signs. Also download the knife template file and the ACM template file from Print Digital Signs. Open your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. From there, then go to Window, then Swatches, then the other library symbol in the bottom left. Find your downloaded Roland VersaWorks swatch. This video shows the knife setup. Copy this for your ACM setup. Here, you can see my giraffe artwork is already fit to the knife template that I downloaded from the additional resources. Pause and do this now, if you haven't already. The flatbed printer, by nature, prints semi-translucent. What this means is, when we print on colored things, such as your knife, it will have an undertone of whatever color your knife is. We will learn how to set up white printing, so that you can print a white base, and then your color on top, for a more solid color. The flatbed printer also prints matte, by default. In this tutorial, you'll also learn how to add gloss special effects. You can print gloss over the whole thing, or just on special areas, as a 3D effect. Now, to set up white and gloss, we are first going to copy and paste in place your artwork. Do this twice, once for the white and once for the gloss. Click on the top copy. Unite this. From the Roland VersaWorks swatch, choose the RDG white color, and add this to the fill of this united shape. Turn all strokes off. Send this RDG white layer to the back. Now, unite the next layer of artwork. Make this RDG gloss. Select your template rectangle, and send this to the back. You should now have 4 layers, in this order. Rectangle template, RDG white, colored artwork, RDG gloss. Whatever color is in your rectangle template will also be printed. If you don't want this color printed, turn off the fill and stroke on this now. But, do not delete the rectangle. Even if you have no color in the rectangle, it must still be included in the saving process, for the printer to read the file properly. Select all of your knife artwork. Right-click, and collect for export. As single asset, PDF file. Export. Save somewhere and copy to a USB. Now, move to the printing computer for printing. Small or free-floating objects like knives need to be held in a template when printing. Your ACM panel can be put in the bottom right corner, without a template. Put this MDF template in the bottom right, and take all of the bits out of your knife so that it sits flat. Remove any stickers and residue from the knife, then put into this template. This template suits the Unipro bucket of knives, only. Go to the printer screen, and click and hold the Setup button until the printer screen says Setup Media. Once it says this, click the Setup button to start the setup process. Machine will start raising the bed. The material is to see only a few millimeters underneath the print head. We will find this height in a moment. The screen will ask us the height. We do not know it. Click the right arrow to go across to auto detection, and then hit enter. The machine will find the height for you by taking the bed in and out, usually 3 times. This step can take a while. Be patient. Next, the printer will ask you to scan and feed. This is your origin. Click any arrow and the machine will generate a red laser light. Move this with the arrow keys. It is to sit on the very bottom right of your knife. Try to avoid the rippled area of the knife and put the red laser light at the beginning of the flat bit of your knife. Hit enter. Move to the next step. Next, the machine will ask width and length. It knows the origin, or starting point. Now it wants to know the last possible end point. Click any arrow to generate the red laser light again. This time, move it to the very top left of the template. Hit enter. Hit enter. The machine is now set up. Move to the printing computer, log in as yourself, and open Roland VersaWorks. Follow the VersaWorks tutorial to see how to print. A common issue people have is they try to print and get an error on the machine that says cancelled for height. To fix this, clear the error by restarting the machine. Then, click and hold the Setup button until it says Setup Machine. Hit enter. The first screen will say a height. This is the height that we found during your auto detection. Manual lower this by 3 mm by using the button that says down, not the down arrow. Hit enter. Hit enter again when you get to the scan and feed screen. These are your saved settings from earlier. Hit enter again when you get to the width and length screen. These are your saved settings from earlier. Resend your print files now, and it should work.